I am here all by myself at Joey's ice fishing, like usual. Came out last weekend by myself, caught like a 2-pounder. He's probably about this size. Yeah, nice 2.5. This flag just went up. Went over and hit it. There's nothing on it. Well, it took off and then put a new shiner on it and immediately hit it again. This must have been the guy right here. Probably about 2 pounds, 2.5. He's a nice one. At Uncle Joey's pond. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, definitely will be more to come. Definitely. As you can see, I got about 1, 2, 3. Oh, flag right there. How you doing? How you doing? How you gonna do? How you gonna do? Alright. Lift him up. Oh, it's spinning. Look at that thing. It's spinning. Got him. Got it. Whatever it is. Whatever it is. I got it. What is it? Oh, a little bass. Look at that. Nice little bass. Second bass within like 45 minutes that I get here. So I think that's pretty good. This is probably about a pound. I just got a bass right there. Nice 2.5 pounder right there. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna release this guy and set up those 2 tilts. Let you guys know if anything else goes down later. Just finished setting those other 2 tilts in there after I just got off with you guys, and this flag just went up. I don't think there's anything on it though. We'll see. Spool wasn't spinning at all. Yeah, no, there's nothing on it, but something definitely fucking crushed that thing. Because the scales are all floating around and shit. Alright. Oh, flag just went up right over there. Same one I just caught that bass on. Go, 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 go! Jesus. Oh, oh shit. Man, I need some fucking help out here, man. Getting hit. Oh man. Left and right, man. Oh. What is the deal? Alright. I'm gonna set these 2 back in, and then I'll let you guys know if I get anything else, because this is just craziness. Later. This is the 3rd time this fucking tilt went up in like 2 minutes. It's spinning, as you can see. So, got it, whatever it is. Ah, oh, shit, he let go. Alright, I'm gonna reel it back up. Oh no, he's still on there, he's still on there. Is he? No, the shiner's still there though. But oh my god, he's chewed up. Alright, I'm gonna set this one back in. This is the 2nd miss on this one, but it's like 3rd or 4th time it's gone up in like 5 minutes. So I'm gonna set it up again. Back to you guys. Hang on a minute. This one just ripped. Holy crap, the thing is fucking bent all over and shit. Something just whacked this thing pretty good. It's off now though. Alright, I'm gonna reset it. And that's it. Got something here. What is it? Oh, blew up. What is it? Another little bass. Another little bass. This tilt, the first time this tilt went up today. It's a little one, probably about a pound. Third bass was in probably an hour, honestly. Biggest one was about 2 pounds. Throw him back. Get in there, boy. Go down. Alright, officially out of shiners. Sent my brother and my dad to go get some. I'll get back to you when I get some more fish. You ain't gonna need them. Whoa, we gotta listen to that thing scream. This thing was screaming. Holy crap. Jesus. That pole is going nuts right now. So that shiner must be getting freaking chased or something. He's jumping, and that shiner was already half dead from, because I've already used them and missed a few. I'm gonna grab my pole. Make sure it doesn't take off on me. The shiner's freaking going nuts, man. Caught about 4 bass so far, 3 bass. Ran out of shiners. I need 1, 2, 3, 4. Good day so far. Flags have been going up and like you wouldn't believe. But I don't know. I wanted to get my quad, but I can't because these tilts are just going crazy. What's going on, guys? Just got a hit on my pole. I had a pole with a shiner on it. I reeled up, see what I got. Oh, he's pulling hard. Oh, it's a nice bass. Nice bass. Nice little bass. I just set this little pole with the shiner in there for like 2 minutes. Came up and nailed it. That's it. Gonna let him go. Nice little bass. That was the second bass of the day. I'm gonna go and re-rig my pole and put it back in the water and get back to you guys. What's going on? Just got this bass right here. Out ice fishing at Joey's. Probably about a pound, but I gotta get him off and let him go, and I'll let you guys know if I get anything else. Got a flag right here, spinning a little bit. Got it. Whatever it is. Oh, it's a nice bass. Oh, no! Fuck! Oh, crap, we got another flag over there. Just missed like a nice 3-pound bass in that one. Oh, shit. Damn it. Freaking thing was right there and it just fell off as I grabbed it. I tried to stick my arm back in there and get it, but... This one's not spinning. We'll check it out. Oh yeah, I got something. Feels little though. Ah, it's a stupid pickerel. I hate these damn things. It's about 13 inches, 14 inches, a little pickerel. Damn! That was a nice 3-pound bass I just missed. Oh well. We'll get him next time. Alright. We got a flag. Right after we just missed that 3-pounder. Hopefully this is another one. Oh, fuck me again this time. I ain't gonna. Let's see. Oh, it's probably just the wind. Pretty windy out today. Check it out though. No, something pulled it, but it let go. Alright, fill this one back up and get back in there and let you know it goes down. Get it back in there. It back down there. Alright. Oh, bastards. I'll get you in the springtime, you fucking bastards. Another flag. Another something. Oh, it's a little bass. Little bass. Look at that. Just about to pack up and get a flag. Yeah. Oh, this one's down in his throat. This hook's down in his throat. Damn. Get the shiner out. Got it. We're all good. Well, that's it for today. I'm gonna pack it up and go. 2, 3, 4 bass. Oh, missed a 3-pounder. And 1 pickerel. That's it. There's my shit box for a truck. Yeah, it's a shit box. But more videos will be coming soon. So